Hi up guys, in this video we're going to talk about YouTube sound not working on Android. Before we start with this explanational video, I need to mention that there is no difference between Android and iPhone. It is the same process on both devices. Firstly, what you need to do when you get up, and thanks for working for a number of reasons to get up not sound making up. It could be turned all the way down. It could have an issue because it's connected to a Bluetooth headphone nearby and playing out of that, or it could be a bug in the YouTube application. Now firstly you need to check out if you have something on your Bluetooth connected with, but as you can see it's turned off. This is the first side option. And now if you get up to also the next sites which I have told you before, you need to go on your Play Store, and on the search box you need to type for YouTube. Then you need to go and type on it, and you need to make sure also that you have the latest version of YouTube. As you can see right now I don't have it. This is why I'm gonna go with update, and then just go uninstall and reinstall the application. But if you're on iPhone, you have that simple option on your settings side for offloading the application, which will give you the chance to make it just by one click to get reinstall and uninstall the application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.